Sitting here, Seaside, and this piece of shipwreckage is wandering by. It's moving along pretty good, huh?
It's not a shipwreck, it's a pallet.
I like my story better. It's part of a shipwreck. It is a pallet, and it's been in the water a while, judging by all the junk on it. Wonder how far it's come, or does it just go in and out with the tide? It might end up on the rocks down there. We're in a very old candy store. Founded in 1897, I think. That's where I got my Jelly Bellies back here. Where's the cinnamon ones I like? See, good thing I saved mine from 2 years ago.
That'll take us a little bit to the bike.
Yeah. Thank you. Power down. We're on the north side of the Worldmark building in Seaside. The beach is right there where the flagpole is. That's the end of the Lewis and Clark expedition back in the 1800s when they were exploring this region. This is Broadway and is the main drag to the beach from Highway 101, which is down there where the blue building is. The big tan building, and then there's a blue building. Shops, arcades, bars. So there's a lot of action on this street until late at night. And the funny thing is, no one looks up here. We're all walking around on the street and nobody ever looks up. Last time We're second from the top floor on the opposite side of the building, looking to the south, and it's a quiet neighborhood.